Halloween is celebrated every year on October 31st. It is a popular holiday in the United States, Canada, and many other countries. Halloween is known as a time for costumes, decorations, and fun activities. The holiday comes from old traditions related to the end of summer and the idea of spirits visiting the earth. One of the most famous Halloween traditions is trick-or-treating. On Halloween night, children wear costumes and go from house to house saying, "Trick or treat." People give them candy or chocolate as a treat. Many families also decorate their homes with pumpkins, spider webs, bats, and ghosts to make them look spooky. Another popular activity is carving pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. People carve faces into pumpkins and place a candle inside to make them glow in the dark. This decoration is a symbol of Halloween. People of all ages like to dress up in costumes. Traditional costumes include witches, vampires, ghosts, and monsters. Today, many people also choose to dress as movie characters, superheroes, or famous singers. Schools and communities often organize Halloween parties where people play games, dance, and sometimes watch scary movies. Halloween is not just about scary things. It's also a time for creativity, fun, and spending time with friends and family. People enjoy expressing themselves through costumes and decorations. Even though some stories are spooky, most people celebrate Halloween with laughter and excitement.
When is Halloween celebrated? November 1st, December 25th, October 31st. What do children say on Halloween? Give me candy. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. What do people usually give to children on Halloween? Candy, toys, flowers.
What is a jack-o'-lantern made from? A coconut, a melon, a pumpkin.
Which of these is a traditional Halloween costume? Witch, firefighter, doctor. What is Halloween really about besides being scary? Working hard in costumes, having fun and being creative, meet the neighbors and socialize.
Hey English learners! Subscribe to my YouTube channel for free lessons and fun activities, and don't forget to check out my blog for tips, activities, transcriptions, PDFs, and more. See you there.